X, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers in this particular Model X made by Tesla. I'm going to show you different ways of turning on the windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to do the voice command for the windshield wipers. So stay tuned and let's get to it. I'm also going to show you how to turn on the windshield washer and the with the windshield washer, how to tell you how to turn that on and turn that off. But before I get started, if you find it helpful, can you give me a thumbs up for this video? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Tesla Model X. Now, in order to operate the windshield wipers, what you'll have to do is a couple of things. We're going to do voice control later, but right now I'm going to show you the manual way of how to turn it on, okay, and the windshield washer. So I'm sitting inside the Tesla, okay, and what I'll do is I'll look towards, I'm in the driver's seat, I'll look towards the middle console where the display screen is at, and then I'll come down and I will tap. I will go to where it says controls. And so when I have controls, right there you see controls, I will come down and you see this wiper icon right here. Let me get in closer so you can see this. It says wiper. See that? I'm gonna press that. And when I press that, you'll look up on the screen right here. And the screen right here, it shows controls right here. Well, it did, but it went away. Okay, so I'm gonna press this. It brings it on. This button brings it on. This is what I'm talking about. You see this? All the wiper stuff right here. It's on. Now, in order to control it, I'm gonna go ahead and press that again to bring that up. And I'm gonna use this scrolling wheel right here to go up or down. And when I do that, you see that? It goes to auto. It's an auto feature. It's in the off feature. Auto, low, a little bit higher than low, almost to the top, and the highest setting right here. And I'm just controlling it using this wheel right here. And I can bring it down to off. When I bring it down to off, whatever way I want it, whatever option I want, I get there and then I press this wheel in and it goes away right here. So it was off when I pressed that. And so when I come back over here and I press the wiper button right here, it goes to auto right here when I press this to the auto, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off by pressing this. It's in the off, okay? So with that being said, I press that so it's off on the screen. This button right here is a control right here. Do you see this button right here? It looks like a windshield with sprayer coming out. I'm gonna press this and see what it does. When I pressed it, it just wipes it one time. Did you see that? It just wiped it one time. Now, if I press this, it wipes it one time, it brings up this screen, and I'm able to control it with this wheel right away, which means I don't have to go inside of the display menu. I can just use this wheel, get to my selection, turn it back. All right, so I make this selection right here. I go ahead and press this, it brings it up, and I'm able to control it using this, my thumb. See that, how that works? I want to make the selection to turn, then I turn it off by pressing the button, I turn it off. All right, now I'm going to show you how to do the voice command right after I show you how to do the windshield washer by pressing the button. So that same button right here, the same button, I'm going to go ahead and press and hold it. Now watch what happens. When I press and hold it, windshield washer fluid comes out and it washes the windshield until I let it go, just like that. All right, so, and after a couple of wipes, it will turn off, just like that. Now, to voice control. All right, so if you want to control it with your voice, you come up to this particular button right here. It's the microphone button. Press it once. Turn on the windshield wipers. Turn on the windshield wipers. And so look at that. It turned on the windshield wipers just like that. Now, if I want to turn them up higher, press the button. Turn on the windshield wipers on high. Hold on. Turn windshield wipers high. It just turned them on. I don't know if it did it high or not. Turn windshield wipers to level 4. And it went to the max. So if I would have said turn windshield wipers to the max, it would have turned it on max. Turn windshield wipers off. It turned them off. And watch this. Wash the windshield. It didn't hear me right. It said, thought I said launch the windshield. Wash the windshield. Command not understood. So I don't know for washing. So I'm just going to stick to this. But you'll learn the voice commands. Just simply talk to the thing and say it. So I'm going to try it again. Can you wash the windshield, please? Doesn't understand it. But it turns them on, turns them off. All right. So that is how you turn on and off the windshield wipers and windshield washer fluid in a Tesla Model X. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.